Boys high school lacrosse, Findlay traveling to take on Bowling Green. Already 1-0 Bobcats early in the first. Evan Brandt on the attack. Trojans hanging tough. Mason Greenwald beats his defender to cut the deficit in half. But the night belonged to the Bobcats' Evan Brandt, an unofficial state record. 14 goals tonight by the junior Bobcats, already in control, up 5 at the end of the first. Findlay getting one back in the second. Greenwald over his defender, bounces it into the back of the net. 3 players tally goals for Bowling Green. Ethan Helvoit with the hat trick as the Bobcats cruise 22-5. But the big story of the night was the big night by Evan Brandt.
Well, last game we came out, played bad, so this game we were just trying to focus on fundamentals and, more importantly, win the game. Well, first game we came out flat, but this game we really picked it up, practiced hard this week, and then looking forward to the next game.
Let's send it back out to Bobcat Stadium and Tim Clagg and Matt Crandall.
Bowling Green's Evan Brandt is one of the most prolific goal scorers in Northwest Ohio, and when he scored just 30 seconds in the opening quarter, we knew that we had a chance to see something special, but I didn't think we would see a state record broken. 14 goals for him tonight.
2 goals in the opening minute, 14 of the 22 goals for Bowling Green here tonight. The old state record was 13. He beat it by 1. Evan Brandt, your captain, number 10 for Bowling Green. What an outstanding performance tonight. 2
other players joining him with the hat trick, Reese Rath and Evan Helvoit. This is a very balanced team.
Just 3?
Just 3.
Just 3, Tim. What's up with that? No, Bowling Green, they told us 4 of their top offensive players were out tonight. Well, they got 22 goals. 3 guys had hat tricks. They were really whipping it around here tonight. They look good.
This is Findlay's first season at the varsity level, and there were some shining moments for them. One of those shining moments came from 2 goals from Mason Greenwald tonight. Bowling Green 1-1. They'll take on Northview. Findlay drops to 0-2. They have a tough contest coming up against Ottawa Hills